The All India strike, called today as well as tomorrow by nearly 8 trade unions that are demanding better wages, is affecting life in various parts of the country, including the transport facilities, as many schools and banks are shut in major cities. It's business as usual in Mumbai, but meanwhile you've got violence which has been reported in Ambala, where one union leader was crushed to death after a clash broke out between two unions. And despite that, the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's Dikkat, normal life has been hit in the Kolkata strike. The Bandh has also had a major impact on banks, as PSU banks across the country have remained shut, with over 10 lakh PSU bank employees joining that strike. Let's get in Anirudh Ghosh, who now joins in with a ground report. Anirudh, brief us as to how bad the situation is.
Well, yes, as you can see, the shutters are down on the Baikala branch of State Bank of India, normally one of the most busy branches at this time of the day. Clearly, the strike has taken a toll on retail operations of PSU bank branches. And of course, we have 10 lakh employees from PSU banks who are on strike. Of course, their demands are quite vast demands, ranging from the high level of corporate debt restructuring to the possible entry of corporates into the banking sector, to, of course, compensatory demands, and of course also demands related to outsourcing. All of these, of course, are demands that have been raised in the past as well. Of course, this strike is playing into the larger nationwide strike of PSU employees, which has been called by various political parties. So, of course, retail operations of banks have been hit. Also, we're being told that the bond market volumes and the forex market volumes are going to be hit substantially. The only bright spot, though, is the fact that ATMs at this point of time are still functional, given the fact that ATMs are being done by outsourced parties. Private companies are actually being used to fill up these ATMs, and a number of ATMs have also been stocked with extra cash to tide over the 3 days that banks are being shut for. Also, of course, the fact is that private banks are open at this point of time. A number of processes also are automated and online, so clearly those operations will still remain, but then on the face of it, a number of retail operations, a number of front-facing operations of the banks will still remain hampered, and a number of people will face difficulties because of this.